Go.
This is the inside of the brain. So here we have the lateral ventricles, and then here it leads to, this is the area of the third ventricle, and then to the fourth ventricle, and then finally it goes to the central canal, which is to go to the spinal cord. Okay, after that, what do you have next? Oh, in the lateral ventricle, we have the anterior choroid plexus, which is one of the sites for synthesis of cerebral spinal fluid. And then down here in the fourth ventricle sits the posterior choroid plexus. Okay, and next we have the corpus callosum. This is this right here. This is the structure that connects the two lobes of the brain, so it communicates amongst each other.
And composed of all white matter.
Composed of all white matter, and what was that? Commissural fibers? It used commissural fibers.
Yeah.
Okay, and next, this is just kind of, I'm going on a limb. So this is the thalamus area, and then the hypothalamus area. So the thalamus is the relay station for all sensories except the olfactory or smell, and the hypothalamus is in charge of the autonomic nervous system and the endocrine system. And then pineal gland is this darker structure right here. It's the one that regulates the melatonin, or like your sleep cycle. And okay, so then we move on. Arbor. Okay, let's go to, this is the cerebellum now. So the inside of the white matter is called the arbor vitae, and then the outside, the gray matter, is the folia. This is the folds. Okay, so then next we have the pons. The pons area is this right here, and then you have the medulla oblongata. These two structures that make up the brainstem. They're in charge of like primitive things such as breathing and heart regulation and stuff like that. And finally, let's put these all together. Back here you have the four. These together they're called the corporal quadrigemini, and individually they're called colliculi. So then you have the two superior colliculi, which are in charge of they're the first relay station for vision, and then the inferior two are auditory. The first relay station for auditory. Does that cover everything? I think so.